Oh, it's January 14th, 2022. It's 8 a.m. I was just starting to put together some files here from my dash cam. You can see them here. There's four files. I went to get some food last night, and the items that I was ordering or thought about ordering or talked to my wife about ordering in private weren't available to me at Triple O's on King George. So I figured they're just playing this game with me again. They always play this game. So I made a recording about that. I was talking about it on my dash cam this morning. So I was going to play that and then play these files, but the audio's gone. I wanted to show the girl telling me that the sandwich my wife wanted wasn't available. Oh, we don't have that, she says, today. So I thought, oh, okay, so I'll just go to McDonald's. So here's two more files from McDonald's drive-through, and then I was told that my milkshake, which is not available, but both were important items. One my wife really wanted was the buttermilk chicken, and then I went to McDonald's and I really liked the milkshakes there, or used to anyways. I'm never going back to McDonald's ever again. But they took the order from me, and then when I got to the window, they said that the milkshakes weren't available again. So it's like I was like, "Fuck you," right? So I just drove away. But I wanted to show that here today, so I went back and I got the dash cam clips that were at the window. So I just want to show the evidence of that discrimination that was going on there, because they've been doing this to me for years. It stopped for a long time. Like, everything seemed normal here. My life kind of was normal, except these anomalies, like the police showing up on my deliveries and stuff. So I started recording that a couple years ago. But I used to just go to Triple O's all the time, and they never did that to me. And I thought, oh, okay, everything's normal. So, but I noticed at Triple O's that I just went slowly out of the drive-through, and I stopped and I looked in, and they were laughing. So I figured, okay, it's this fucking game again. So they think it's funny. They're spying on me. They're sharing the information, and then they're discriminating against me, using it to fuck with me, right? So very irritating. Anyways, we didn't starve to death last night or anything, so it wasn't a big deal. So I just thought I wanted to make a video about that this morning, but what happened is, for some reason, these files and the dash cam didn't record any audio on the file. I just wanted to show that. I imported the files into Movie Maker here. Here they are here. You can clearly see the drive-through here. So I just drive up to the window, and this is where she said there was no butter, or the chicken sandwich was not available for my wife. So I just drove away, but there's no audio. I'm playing it and no audio. So I don't know if they somehow hacked well, I don't know. I shouldn't say somehow, because everything can be hacked. But they, I guess, turned off the audio on my dash cam. So here I'm ordering the sandwich, the chicken, and this is where she tells me it's not available. So I just left. I just drove away. And then I was talking to this guy. You can see here. So I pulled up here and I just stopped here and I looked in the window on the left and they were laughing. So I thought, well, this game again, right? So they think it's funny that they can just invade my fucking life and my privacy, and then they make games, little games, you know, to piss me off. So here I'm talking to this guy, but there's no audio. So I just want to show that. So I guess I don't know if they logged on to my dash cam and turned off the audio. Here I'm going to McDonald's now. And the same thing happened at McDonald's. I was thinking I want to get the milkshake. I don't like to leave McDonald's without the milkshake. And I actually skipped McDonald's and went to Triple O's because I thought they would be out of milkshakes for some reason. I was thinking that. And then I went to McDonald's here. You can see the drive-through here. Oh, what happened? That's weird. What the fuck happened here? Something happened with the video recording as well. Because it should be one continuous video. I didn't stop the dash cam. So here I'm going to McDonald's and then it cut and I'm leaving McDonald's. It was supposed to show me at the window. So they even cut the video. Wow, they're tricky, eh? Tricksters. I don't know how they did that. So here I'm going through the drive-through and it should show a video of me continuing through the drive-through because the dash cam is a continuous video. It just keeps recording. It doesn't. It's not supposed to cut. Look, so I'm going into the drive-through and I'm going to order. And then it cuts, and it's me leaving McDonald's. Wow. These guys are pretty tricky. For some reason, they didn't want me to get that, and they knew, I guess, I would try to get it. I don't know. I was just thinking I'd just blow it off, right? Because I always blew it off before. I would go somewhere and they wouldn't have what I'm looking for. And they knew I was coming and then they would laugh with each other. So they're getting some satisfaction out of persecuting me here, and now they don't want me to have evidence of it. But something definitely wrong here because it just jump cuts. The camera is not designed to turn off. It's designed to stay on. So if I had an accident in the drive-through here, it wouldn't have been recorded. So that's no good. I think I gotta return the dash cam, get my money back. get a new one. I think if they can hack this one like that. Anyways, you'll have to take my word for it. I made a recording this morning on the other dash cam. I assume they didn't hack that, so I'm going to display that recording now. Fuckers. So I just make a follow-up here. I went and put the chip from the other dash cam in here from the truck, and I was drove my wife to work this morning in the truck, and I made a testimonial while I was driving back. So I just wanted that to play, and I can't find it. This webcam's kind of screwy with the dates on it. I have to reset the dates, so I just kind of gave up on the dates and times on that dash cam. But it's a really cheap dash cam, but it takes like 5-minute clips, I think they are. Whereas the other one's only 1-minute clips, and it's harder to edit. It's easier to edit with a 5-minute clip. But anyways, my footage from this morning is not here. It didn't record this morning. I'm just going to try it once again here. Yeah, this is old footage from the dash cam. This is like from last week. This was last week when I went to Case World when I saw the fire truck when I went to Case World. So they're fucking with my dash cams now. They don't want me to get any more. Oh, this one. I'm glad I got this one. This is one I didn't show actually here, but they continued here. This was last week. I never had time to actually put this one on YouTube, but here they are again. Fire department. So now they're fucking with my dash cams, which is, they must have some pretty tricky technology going on here, because it should record. Like, you buy a dash cam because you want it to continually record for your safety, for security, as a witness to an accident maybe or something. So maybe that's what they're planning. I don't know. Maybe they're hacking the dash cams so there's no evidence, and they're going to try to run me off the road or something. But the other day I went down to the docks, and I'd like to find that video clip actually. But I was at the docks, and I could see this truck was kind of going up the parallel road to me, and I was thinking, geez, I'm going to meet him at the end of this road. And he just, like, the timing was incredible, but he turned really sharp in front of me. I had to hit my brakes. And he was head on to me. I don't know if I have that clip or not, but I was just like, I saw that like a threat that they were going to use the truck to make an accident with me. So I just wanted to take note of that.